Hello everyone, welcome back. Another mini band workout. Let's get started. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, start moving with something simple. First, you just need to sit down, place your band, lower than your knees, take a deep breath. Rotate your toes outside. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. We're gonna open up one by one, right and left, right, left. Here we go. Rotate your knees outside, take a deep breath. Totally 12. Right, left. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7. Nice. 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1. Push. 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more. 1. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. From here, as you can see, lower back is straight, legs are square, left leg elevate up and open towards the side. Here we go. 12. 1, 2. Nice. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5. Continue. 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Right leg straight. Keep your lower back straight. Open up. 1, 2. Nice. 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Then we lower our band straight from here. Take a deep breath. Exhale. What we're going to do next, we're going to lie down on our back. Keep it at the same time. Then we'll push with your left leg straight forward. You should be familiar with this movement. Just hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you continue pushing. You switch your legs and continue holding. 10, 9, 8. Hold. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then continue. You bend, but then the left leg push towards the side right now. Your right, try to be in the middle. Keep holding this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Tension more goes in the right leg. 2, 1. Then you switch your right leg, push outside. You maintain your left. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7. More outside. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring in the middle. Take a deep breath. Spread them out outside. Push forward and hold. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6. Keep holding. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend and back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. From here, as you can see, you need to keep them in the same place that you just did. Elevate your butt. Straight leg in front. And from here, what I want you to open up your straight leg and bend. Open and bend. So you need to push with your left leg. The right leg is pushing the band on the ground. The left leg, you need to flex forward and back. Flex and back. Here we go. 12. Let's work. And 2. Nice. 3. Push. 4. Squeeze. 5, 6. Nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Take a deep breath. Flat back. Elevate. We're working with the right. Same thing. And 2. Push. 3. Go ahead. 4. Nice. 5. Push. 6. Nice. 7. Awesome. 8. Push. 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And down. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Arms behind your head. We're gonna do abs. Engaging. Left leg goes straight. We're gonna switch one by one forward. Elevating our upper back a little bit. Here we go. 12 on each side. Here we go. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, go ahead, 6, push, 7, 8, 9, 10, go ahead, 1, push, 2, 3, go ahead, 4, 5, continue, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Elevate your back, stand up, take a deep breath, 1 more, then you exhale. Okay, we continue, same thing. Your leg should be almost straight. You place your arms behind your head. From here, you need to drive your left knee towards your right elbow by pushing the band. Here we go. Only on one side, 12. From the left side starting, and exhale. And 2, nice. 3, continue. 4, go ahead. 5, push. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Right side, here we go. And 2, go ahead. 3, 4, nice. 5, 6, pause. 7, continue. 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Okay, take a deep breath. Then we are moving to forward. Knees on the ground. You need to place your band lower than your knees a little bit. From here, take a deep breath. We're gonna start from the left leg straight backward, straight leg. And from here, we're gonna drive towards the side and bring it to middle. Towards the side, middle. Here we go, 12. Let's work. And 2, nice. 3, push. 4, go ahead. 5, 6, open. 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to lock your core low back. 11, 12. Take a deep breath. Then we'll switch. Right leg towards the side. Lock your core low back. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, push. 5, 6, towards the side. 7, 8, open up. 9, 10, go ahead. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. 1 more. Exhale. Okay, the next one, what we're gonna do, lower level your legs, your resistance band, sorry. From here, plank position, we're gonna rotate our pelvis towards the right side. As you can see, placing your left arm on your hip. And from here, step with your left leg inside of that band. And we need to drive your left leg all over towards your core and back. 1, go ahead. 2, nice. 3, 4, continue. 5, 12, 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Plank position, switch side. Take a deep breath. Here we go. Arm up. On the top, we need to drive the right one. And 2, nice. 3, push. 4, 5, go ahead. 6, nice. 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11. Ooh. That's it. I think it's not something good quality, but we don't complain. We'll just do it this way. We'll continue working. I want to finish it. So this is the way how we're gonna do. I was expecting to happen something like this, but we cannot deal. It can happen anytime. So 12. Okay, we continue. One more thing we're gonna do is we're gonna sit down from here. Pay attention. Band inside, the right leg you place inside. Left is straight, right. From here, what I want you to do, as you can see my elbows on the ground, this is the last move I want to share with you. You need to try to elevate your right leg off the ground, pushing the band up and down. Here, thigh muscles are working really good, and this is a very efficient thing. Take a deep breath, elevate, and 2, push, 3, higher, 4, nice, 5, 6, awesome, 7, go ahead, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12. And we're gonna switch. Take a deep breath. Same thing with the left. Right leg fully straight, left elbow on the ground, straight legs. You should be more on the left leg right now. And push with your left side. And up, 2, higher, 3, push, 4, nice, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, hold, and down. Awesome, good one. Let's do one more for your posture. I think everyone needs this. Nice and simple. We're just gonna keep our arms in front, strong. This is how it looks from the back. You just can grab. This way it looks from the side. You just grab. From here, I will turn with the back. I want you to do the same as I do. Arms straight up. Squeeze your upper back and drive your elbows closer to your body and back up. Here we go, 12. Band goes behind your head, 2, nice, 3, 4, go ahead, 5, work with your upper back, 6, 12, 7, nice, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, release. Awesome, my friends. Finishing, quick one, down dog. Take a deep breath. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Good one. Sorry for the ban, it happens, but it is how it is. I'm always mentioning that we just need to continue working on ourselves without any complaints. Take care of yourself, wish you all the best. Peace, my friends.